Alright, our first morning hunt in North Dakota. We did a lot of scouting yesterday. Well, we got in yesterday, only about 2 hours of sleep. Did a lot of scouting, found a couple birds. I shot a blue wing, and we shot a gadwall, and then we decided just to leave and scout again. So we found this big loaf pond, and we're gonna hunt it. Hopefully the birds ain't on it still right now. I just heard some out there, but we got a ton of decoys. We're gonna hide in the white socks, and hopefully we can kill them. So we'll see y'all when we get the decoys set up, and hopefully we'll be shooting some birds not too long after. As y'all can hear, the geese stayed on the pond all night. They roosted on it. But we decided to hunt anyway, and y'all see how that goes here in a second.
Kill him.
There we go. Good shot.
Get ready, get ready. Kill him right there. Got one down. Watch that bird. He dead?
I don't know. I'll get him.
He's swimming.
He's swimming, ain't he?
He's going back to the bank right there. See?
Yeah.
Alright, go jump on him.
Oh, if I can get up. There we go. Nice widgeon.
Over the top. I'm talking about them two. We killed both of them. Yeah. Kill them.
I'll get. Got two.
Kill him.
Three?
Right, so go grab him.
Yeah, there's running.
Watch this one, he's going to come back around. Hey, he's gone. Go grab him.
Oh, shoot. Fetch. cacklers. Let's go. Got him. Let's go. I get him. I didn't see them.
The 2 ducks landed at some point.
Yeah. They're shovelers.
No, that was 2 that were one.
Oh yeah. Picking at them slowly but surely. Shot 2 shovelers, but didn't know it was in the decoy, along with a cackler. But we'll pick them up, get set back up. See y'all in a minute. Hey, if y'all get these, I'll run out here and see if this is a snow goose.
Alright.
Hey, I got one of each. I got a speck, a snow goose, and a banded cackler. Uh-huh.
Wow.
That one laying right there was the band. Yeah. All right, we about to clean up these birds. Got 51 today, so pretty good day. Mostly geese. I think we killed 11 ducks, but we're gonna get to skinning them. See y'all tomorrow.